Wa para mapako no tena tapa tama ni wanong kuyo bin wa pori kori. Kuberi wa Acholi weng tiki tiki la chuduani. Dako teme charutang pati nirmo ma yop mong parodiru kamembe ujolo nyoki bijolo karo kiri bijolo kere. Chane dano ma pa weng kiji kori. Ia chue igin mau teme eni piana nero chalo tika mero bino kadwalo tieni. Pian kaya neo apa biru ngom pa Acholi. Kami neni ye to mo ikan mati teme ya pa kisako lady all round Acholi. Liale ko ba ya Acholi wine. Dia lo kan igin mati teme kujani. Tuaro dwalo tian lu di rumah dong ma wana nero chalo beru wajie kumge karme kampe. Tuaro chuli marai. Wan mati anero in chalo buri wa ke duan wa maloba bitiu pe konyo wa. Wan lega ma wana bedi e peny ma jara luak na pa. Bedi wan wa pegi tele mo e ken ke government. Wa pegi chwin mo e ken marat ke government me jema kum government. En wa tege lega ye bu government.
What he's trying to say is that as the people of APAA, they don't have any problem with the government. They don't have any other issues with the government. If it is the issue of the minerals in the area, the government should come up openly and discuss with the local people. They don't have any issues. They were very confident and hopeful when General went there. People were mobilized, the hope was raised to another level, and people were trusting that these issues will no longer come. But when General left the place and come back here, and then the incident started again, people started dying and all that, it is people are not happy about this. And that is why they want a solution.
You know, one more thing, when you tell a way map, one more time what you like. Pomo one tele po bedi apa ke kene tele manu government ti kamero ke mo mano ko beru la kan utu achuara so wunyu tu kapiru ma pat government o chubo pe ho li wen ko bedi dan wunyu pi kwangio.
He said they had a lot of issues. There was issues in Lakal, the government sorted it peacefully. There was issue at Chuaran, they were sorted peacefully. And that the same way they want APAA issue.
Wana lego pere ni kakini ye we government o karikido kimate. Mabegi community mapa, ciutere wa lok mati. Lok mutero iwani ene lok pa wana nyuma kakirwa. Ma lok ene wana choti waraka wami wa CDF. Gin mati ka kela yela iapa. Wan pa mo pe kin wa be kimari. Endo lok magamente for ki presenting a party ka hanging wi yamoni peti ka beru padano. Ti game reserve, ti forest reserve. Era ngara ci cel ñu interest mi ci rati me gi moy ken an go ko be padano beru te eno ka gamento ti ko lo me ngom mi ki luak ma pa gi gamenta ini lu ni o be beru yot wa gi security personnel me go ko to padano jalo ka mo ken adi jero agu ni mi ma legi ne kay ye u kwan luak ma pa ki la di lo wa winta me ko wana ye lo moy ken me beru be me por lo mo la bon we ko padano. So